What's up guys, so it's time to take a look at a brand new smartphone, the beautiful Meizu 16 Plus. The box is quite simple. At the back, it is mentioned that it comes with whopping 8GB of massive RAM. Let's quickly remove out this plastic. By the way, it is also known as Meizu 16 Plus. Opening up the box, first you will find the smartphone itself. Let's take this out and put this at the side. After the phone, the box also contains two more small boxes. One of them contains a whole bunch of documentations, like manual, a quick start guide and some other stuffs. As you can see here, there are some paperworks here with a USB-C cable. It also contains a transparent hard case, which is good. After the case, the box includes a USB Type-C cable for fast charging. There's also a VIP card for reviewers, which is nice. This card is mainly for reviewers who attended its launch event. The card is overall good, beautiful and nicely presented. So after the card, there's also a manual for beginners. Now let's check out that another small box provided. So here is it, let's open it. So this box contains a power adapter that also supports pretty fast charging technology. There's also a SIM ejector tool. Let's put this SIM ejector tool at the side and have a closer look at the charger. So the charger provided here is a 12 volts and 2 ampere adapter that can fully charge this smartphone in around 1.5 hours. That's really impressive. Good job by Meizu. So that's all for an unboxing. Let's move towards the new Meizu 16 Plus itself. The new Meizu 16 Plus is a piece of art. It is beautiful, lightweight and slim. Let's remove this plastic first. Just look at its beauty. Let's also remove the plastic from front. So the new Meizu 16 Plus sports an 18:9 curved display. In terms of design, it looks astonishing, with a lustrous 3D curved glass back like the Meizu 15. The 3D effect is clearly visible, that makes it more gorgeous. The golden accents around the camera and flash makes it more beautiful. The phone also provides a ceramic texture at the back, thanks to a 7-layer coating. 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C port are well placed at the bottom. The all-new Meizu 16 Plus comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. However, the display is still not 2K, but it produces punchier colors, thanks to Super AMOLED technology. The top bezel is only 7mm thick, while these left and side bezels are trimmed to 1.43mm only. The width of the chin is reduced to 5.74mm. Great! Also, believe it or not, the smartphone provides a massive screen-to-body ratio of 91.18%, which is almost equal to Vivo Nex's screen ratio. The curved glass makes it more beautiful than ever. Surprisingly, the smartphone weighs just 152 grams, with a slim thickness of 7.2mm. After looking at its gorgeous design and display, do let us know what opinions are coming to your mind. Don't forget to provide your opinions in comments section below. As I said, the design is pretty refined and the overall smartphone looks beautiful from up front. For quick specs, the Meizu 16 comes with the powerful Snapdragon 845 chipset that is much faster than its predecessor. The phone starts with 6GB of RAM and goes up to 8GB of RAM. The top-end model comes with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. The Meizu 16 Plus has a 3640 mAh battery inside. One of the major highlight about this smartphone is under display fingerprint sensor. According to the company, it can unlock the smartphone under 0.25 seconds. Let's set the fingerprint and check out its unlocking speed. So it doesn't take too much time to recognize the finger, which is good. As you can see, there's a small icon where you have to place your finger. The fingerprint sensor here is an optical sensor, just like we had saw on Mi 8 Explorer Edition. The under-display fingerprint sensor is extremely fast and responsive. Really, just touch and unlock. I felt it faster than Vivo Nex. What's your opinion? The fingerprint sensor works every time with a single touch, with unlocking speed of 0.25 seconds. The company also claims a success rate of 99.12% of this sensor. MBAC has always been an important part of Meizu smartphones, and the new Meizu 16 Plus comes with the improved Super MBAC 2.0. The new version replaces the small circle in favor of a small horizontal bar at bottom of the screen. However, if you don't like gestures, you can also use simple virtual buttons. But these virtual buttons does takes some space from the bottom. The gestures controls are easy to use. Just slide on the bottom of the screen to return, long slide to get back to the home screen, and long slide to call out multitasking. By the way, you can also swipe from the side to get back or return to the home screen. What will be your choice, gesture controls or virtual buttons? Do let us know in comments below. The Meizu 16 Plus is running on Android 8.0 Oreo, supported by Flame 7 OS. The company is using OneMind AI and Super Swipe technology to create a new app preloading technology that promises to increase app opening speed by up to 36%. Just look how snappy is this phone. I didn't notice any lags or frame drops in this smartphone, thanks to Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with 8 GB of RAM. The new horizontal bar at the bottom can be used for multi-actions. It can be enable or disable through settings. Just tap it to return, long press to get back to home screen and swipe from bottom to call out multitasking. Really, this back button is very useful for daily use. This definitely reminds us of Android Pie's navigation button. What are your opinions about this feature? Do let us know in comments below. Overall, the smartphone feels extremely slim, and it provides better grip. Just check out its thickness, it is just 7.2 millimeters. This smartphone would be a great choice for gaming, since it provides excellent grip and it comes with liquid cooling system. In order to achieve excellent sound quality, the Meizu 16 Plus also sport dual stereo speakers. The smartphone sounds extremely loud, and I am really impressed with it. In terms of camera, the Meizu 16 comes with a 12-megapixel IMX380 sensor paired with a 20-megapixel IMX350 sensor. The phone features a solid auto HDR mode that promises vibrant colors on your landscape photos. Let's quickly have a look at some samples. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. You can check its very efficient and cheap pricing in description. Subscribe our channel to get future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.